All right, today we are out on the west side of the building, looking from the area right outside our media center. Looking here, these are the slabs that will be poured. This space is directly over the electrical room and the bathrooms that are down by the art hallway. And then you can see that they have all the rebar covered up and getting ready to pour foundation pieces out here on this west side. A couple pillars that have gone through the bathroom areas are already up for the learning spaces that will be coming in on this side. So even though most of the work that is being seen is on the east side, there is work that is currently being done on the west side of the building as well. All right, we're now standing in a learning space that is on the west side of the building. You can see here as you would be walking into this learning space from a corridor. This particular space will be a science room. Looking at the size, I mean the size is huge compared to kind of what we have been working within and what a standard class size would look like. There will be plumbed in gas and water into these science classrooms, and the way that just kind of wraps around here within the space, and window looking out side, and then a wall in between two different learning spaces, and then this will all be a sealed up wall. I know there's been a lot of discussion about how much visibility there will be. So basically the window looking out of this space is in this area right here. I'm standing about 10 feet away from it, so I would say that window space is maybe, I don't know, 7 feet tall and 6 feet wide would be that space. And then there's a second egress, second exit that would walk out into a common space, and they've now got the stairs in place for this east side of the building. If you keep walking around, we go into this next area. You can see that the framing has already been going up on the outside of our building. Since our building is not masonry weight bearing, all of the metal frames have allowed it to just hurry and go up, and so we won't see brickwork until the spring, but we will be able to basically build from the inside out is the way that will work. So again, in here, another learning space, and going to have a beautiful view out of these 4 big windows, and be able to look up towards Logan Canyon in that direction out looking east. So again, just looking at what 2 of those learning spaces would be looking like here in our new building. All right, I hate heights, but I'm going to look over. So this will be open, and then there will be, of course, railings and stuff for security reasons and for safety. But there will be the opportunity for our science, so I'm talking to Mr. Nielsen right here, opportunity for experiments, and I know he wanted space to be able to do some drop experiments with physics, and there's going to be lots of that opportunity in various spaces around the building, and this is just one. All right, now on the south east side of our building, looking up and seeing that the framing is basically complete on the outside, and then they'll start putting up the barriers that they will do, and be able to continue all that inside work that we had just walked through. So right now they're just bringing in more and more pieces to continue and put up the framework for the exterior of the building.